Assuming you don't have your business open yet and you are curious, how much is it going to cost me to start this business? I want to outline the 5 major things that you need to be aware of that are going to play the most significant impact when it comes to your budget. Okay, so what's number 1? That is location, where your business is located. If you are opening up a juice bar in the middle of Manhattan in New York, or a very affluent city in Los Angeles or some other place around the world, then it's going to be much more than if you're opening a juice bar in a more suburban or rural area in the United States and or other countries, because I know a lot of you guys who watch this content might be even watching it from Africa or Malaysia or China, or, we have a lot of clients all over the world. So the first thing to be aware of is where you are located in the world is going to have a big impact in your overall startup budget, because property values and economies are different everywhere. If you're in an area where things are just generally more expensive, the cost of living is higher, then that's going to translate to the cost of your construction and other things being more expensive. If you're in a place where the cost of living is lower, then everything is going to be cheaper. So the location that you're located in is going to play a big factor. That's the first thing.